That's how you love people, Melissa? That's how you love people? Because you have an anger problem. Your anger problem is worse than hers. Not when you attack me with a knife.
You just told me how you didn't want to leave me in the front.
You told me you were going to be a stripper. You told me you were going to go be a stripper.
What?
You said you're going to go work for Albert again.
Why? Tell me why.
Because of this.
Really? Tell me why.
Because of this, officer.
Why don't you love me? Tell
Because
me
of this. Melissa, you ran on my motorcycle just like this. You did the same thing. Mm-hmm. Because you're crazy. You have my son in the car. Good job.
Why? Tell me
Because of this, Melissa. Because of this. Don't chase me. You probably should go away, Melissa. You probably should leave, man. Seriously, man, you need to leave. You need to go, Melissa. You fucked up my garage now, man. Thanks, okay? Dude, you should leave, dude. You cut your losses. Cut your losses, Melissa. Because of this, Melissa. You're crazy. My kid's in the car, Melissa. You want to go to jail? I mean, look, dude.
Let us in.
Melissa, look what you did.
Don't call the police.
Look what you did.
Did you?
No, but look what you did.
Oh, let me in.
Why? So you can fucking kill me? Really? This is pretty scary, Melissa. You just ran into my garage. Okay? With my car. Okay? Don't hurt Benny. Don't hurt Benny. Don't hurt my son, man. Come on, man. Melissa, seriously, look what you did. Melissa, look what you did, man. Go away.